You lay down in bed to sleep, but realized sleep hadn't come yet. You wanted to play with your phone a little until you felt sleepy, but before you knew it, it was already past 3:10. You've thought about this, haven't you? You've encountered a similar situation before. Suddenly a video pops into your mind on social media showing someone managing to wake up refreshed in the morning after sleeping only 3 to 5 hours. You ask yourself, how is this possible and how can I achieve this? That's what we'll be discussing in this video, the scientific formula for rest. First, you need to know this misconception. Sleeping a lot does not mean resting a lot. So, what should we do? First, we need to use sleep efficiently. During sleep, our brain goes through 2 stages every 90 minutes on average: deep sleep and REM sleep. During deep sleep, your energy is renewed, your immune system is renewed, and any damaged areas in your body are repaired. During REM sleep, your memory is refreshed, your focus improves, your emotions are balanced, your brain repairs itself, and finally, you can start dreaming. Remember, the goal here is not to sleep a lot, but to apply this cycle correctly. So how can you apply it correctly? 90-minute rule. Our brain loves everything that is done consistently and works accordingly. We need to believe that we will act with this consistency and prepare ourselves accordingly. Set yourself an average sleep time so that this 90-minute cycle repeats 3 or 4 times. For example, 3 cycles occur in a 4.5-hour sleep, 4 cycles in a 6-hour sleep, and 5 cycles in a 7.5-hour sleep. If you set an alarm, don't set it randomly. Be sure to set it according to a 90-minute cycle. By now, you understand sleep cycles and the importance of 90 minutes, and let's say you've set yourself a 6-hour rule. Please watch until the end to understand what you need to do. However, you need to adjust the details of the rules mentioned in the video to suit yourself. We will only give examples and explain the general things you need to do. We said we would set ourselves a 6-hour sleep rule, and our main goal is to wake up more refreshed by sleeping less. In other words, within 6 hours, we will complete 4 cycles, each lasting 90 minutes. Let's say you need to wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Count back 6 hours. You need to fall asleep at 12:30 at night. But there's one thing you need to keep in mind. You need to be in deep sleep at 12:30 at night. That's why you need to be ready to sleep in bed at least 20 or 30 minutes before that. But there are things you need to pay attention to 1 or 2 hours before going to bed. Stay away from screens such as phones, tablets, computers, or televisions. Eating a heavy meal or not eating at all. Engaging in any activity that will stress you out. If you do not perform any of these steps, you may experience the following. Screen use will delay your entry into REM sleep. If you eat a heavy meal or are stressed, your sleep will be interrupted. The goal here is not to say that you sleep anyway, but to use your sleep as efficiently as possible. Now let's assume we followed the rules and slept for 6 hours, completed 4 cycles, and woke up. But nothing is finished yet. First, wash your face with cold water, move around for a few minutes, and then go outside for about 10 minutes to get some sunlight. Doing these things will raise your dopamine levels and signal to your brain that the cycle is complete. Finally, I want you to remember that this process won't work in one go, but if you apply it consciously and correctly, you'll start to see the effects after a few weeks. The only thing you need to pay attention to is applying these routines regularly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us, like and share, and write your comments about the video.